Alrighty, so all of our bolts we have finger tight. We're going to make sure they're all finger tight at least. And I'm going to stick, the top will move a little bit to make sure there's these little grooves on the sides. I'm just sticking my fingers there, make sure nothing looks too funky. Make sure we're not off center. Alright, so we're just gonna lightly snug down the bolts on our thrust bearing. Not much, just a little bit. Make sure this will still spin easy. Alright, we only are going to do that for this one because we're going to hit either side of our crank to center up our thrust bearing. Give it a good wrap. One more rear. Maybe like that. Alrighty, now that we've done that, we're going to torque all this. Our sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We start in the center and kind of work our way out. We're going to go 18 foot-pounds. We're starting from there. We're going to go 2 90-degree turns for a total of 180. But we'll do everything at 90 degrees and then do it again. Okay. Got our 18 foot-pounds. For this, you want to just go a little bit back and forth. You don't want to just crank one side all the way down. We're trying to get our cap to crush fairly evenly. Work our way up to it. Just turn that. Alright, that guy's good. We're going to move to the next one. Good. Good. Double check. I like doing 2 clicks. Can't be too careful. Check, check, check onto here. I'm trying to resist the urge to put my hand right in the way, being able to see what's going on. For the angle, we're gonna use a. Oh, I did torque that right? Yeah. For the angle, we're gonna use a digital torque wrench. You can do it with your phone, technically. I've never tried that, and I don't think I'm going to. I'd rather this work when I put it back together. But you could put a compass on your phone and set it on top and hit the button and tilt it till it gets to 90. But I don't trust that. So we got this guy. Another thing that's nice about this, if you go to memory, calibrate. Alright. If we go to memory, let's see. Got 18 foot-pounds saved in memory 1 slot. 90 degrees saved in memory 2. So let's just go double check all of our other stuff at 18 real quick. We want to be as accurate as we can be with this. This is unnecessary, but since I've already got it out, we'll make sure there's nothing, no surprises. And then I also know my little quicker torque wrench is pretty darn accurate. Alright, so we'll go hit our memory, hit it 90 degrees, and we want to do slow, steady motion here. As much as possible, at least. Boop. We'll stop at 90. So if I were to lose where I was, it saves what degree I'm at. So like that thinks I'm already at 90 degrees. So if I was to slip off, I don't have to worry, oh, my phone with the compass deal fell off my wrench and I gotta pull everything apart and redo it. Not pull everything apart, but redo all my torquing. Okay, one sec. I'm talking and forgetting what I'm doing. Not forgetting, but. So I just did the one. Okay, so we're on the next one. Kinda nice, steady. Well, that's with this. It tells you how much pressure it ended up with on each bolt. When I pull it off, like that was 58.7. They've all been close to 60 or 60 so far. So I know it's consistent. Within reason. If I all of a sudden had one that was like 70 or something, it would probably be, oh, I've already done that one. Okay. Get this guy. Or if if it all of a sudden dropped to nothing. There's probably a problem there. Okay, check around this guy. Oh. Alright, another reason I like the little clicky one is I didn't want to go back and forth working them down and have to hear all the beeping for every single bolt. I guess, yeah, but just back and forth as I'm working it down. I don't want to listen to that. But then other engine stuff with, oops, I went to 91 there. Getting a little excited. Need to focus a little bit. I've done other engine stuff with that click torque wrench and haven't had any issues, so I've noticed just from that. I'm gonna make sure we can still spin this okay. Yep. Okay, last time. Okay. This one's gonna be a little harder to turn. Looks like 80 is going to be our new average. There we go. I didn't check what that second one said. I was meaning to watch. That was 73. That's a little different. So let's just add a 2. $75. Maybe that first one was just a little extra tight. Not too worried about it. This is more just out of my curiosity. $75. Yeah, okay, we're gonna say 75 is really what we're shooting for. Top of my head right now, I can't think of what the N stands for on that, for the how much pressure I'm putting on this. Is it newtons? Yeah, you need 75 fig newtons to be able to pull this arm out. Just kidding. Yeah, they're hitting 75 consistently. Oh. For disassembling this, you want to take a socket. Basically want to take something like this. Stick it on your bolt, and kind of smack the crap out of it with the hammer. Not shyly. People have a lot of issues breaking these. Just wants to calibrate. Breaking off these bolts when they trying to disassemble this, but I disassembled it once, did that, kind of did the loosen before you tighten, or tighten a little before you loosen deal, and if it felt like it was catching too much, I'd back it off a little and do it again. I didn't break a single thing. And when I did the plastic gauge for checking my clearances, I was able to run them all down and torque them. Oh shit. Shoot. Went a little hard on that. Okay. Sorry for swearing. I'm gonna make a little note for a second. Went 3 degrees over on that. See if I can find a pen real quick. There's a pen. So I want to go on this one. I'm just gonna try to remember. I'm gonna go 87 degrees next time on that one. Oh, that was the. You know what? She'll be fine. Not too worried about the 3-degree difference. I'm sure there's a plus or minus. If this was the first go around, I would probably just go a little less the second time. But last one. Golden. 75. Okay. Alright. Make sure everything still spins good. Yeah, it doesn't feel any tighter than it used to be, really. As far as spinning wise. Alrighty. So that's it for that.